In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create motion text title in Adobe After Effect. Okay, let's start. First, create a new composition. And now I rename it render. Yeah, okay. For preset resolution, I choose Full HD. Frame rate 25, duration 15. Background color, choose black color. Click OK. Okay, now we have a new composition. And for my favorite, I like to enable title action shape. Okay, now start to create a new shape. Okay, click on pen tool. For shortcut, letter G. Before you create shape, make sure you select fill, set it none, and stroke. I set it yes 10 or 8. You can set any size you want. For color, I choose white color. Okay, now we create a new shape. Yeah. Okay, that is good. Now go to layer and then to transform, center anchor point. Okay, and go to align. If you cannot see a line here, you go to window and select align. Okay. Oh, sorry, I check align again. Now we have align. So we align object to center. Okay, good. Fit. Start to expand shape and then choose add, choose trim path. Okay, expand trim path and start to select 50. Yes, and select 50. And now create new keyframe. Okay, move timeline here and then set it 0 and set it 100. Okay, good. Quick preview. Okay, now select all keyframe and easy is shortcut F9. Yes. Go to graph editor and select here. Yes, set it. Make sure you select on edit speed graph. Okay. Quick preview. Okay, good. Now start to tap any text. Like for example, motion. Okay. Yes, align it to center. And now set keyframe for shape. Press P to set position. Move to left side, set the keyframe, and then move to here, and yeah, it's good for me. Start. Okay, good. Yeah. Now select for the keyframe. Select keyframe and set easy is and go to graph editor okay, good, and go here. Yes, create a new keyframe and go here, create the set move object, move shape to here. Okay, and create a new keyframe and move here. Okay, something like that. Okay, I love that. Okay, good. Yep. Select shape, layer, and press U. Now you can see keyframe from trim path. Select all keyframe of trim path. Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste here. and then yes, choose time previous keyframe. Okay, good for me. Now, yes, create a new solid and name it invert matte. Okay, for color I choose black color. Okay, good. Now move anchor point to the left, so select here and move anchor point here. Yeah, move to, and now move to here. Now you cannot see any differences because composition also black and solid also black. So if you disable that, you will see transparency. Now, okay, we cannot see any animation, so I set animation on invert matte. Just make sure timeline to the beginning and then parent it to the shape. Okay, good. Okay, now we have animation on invert matte. To show the type, select on motion text and choose alpha invert matte. Okay, click preview. Good. Okay, good for me. Now select on motion text and invert matte. Go to edit and choose duplicate or Ctrl D. Okay, have any text, for example graphic. Okay, and then select on graphic text, choose alpha matte. Okay, I don't want to see graphic at the beginning, so I set it. Yes, I move them for here. Okay, good. Yes, I also don't want to see motion at the end, so I select on motion text and hide, something like that. Okay, good. Okay, that finished. Yes, it's good for me. So now move timeline here and press N, and then trim compose to work area. Okay, good. Let's click preview. Okay, for example, if we want to create any background, yes, name it BG. Yes, it worked very nice for me. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe my channel to get more tutorial every day. Thank you.